Sawadee Cup, everybody. Today is the day. Today is December 1st. Today is December 1st, and this is the day that I start my new internship. This is the day that I get picked up. We'll be driving 4 hours north in northern Thailand, and we are going to be introduced to the people that I'm going to be interning with. I'm super excited to be able to be a part of this program, or even just to be in a different country. And the fact is, I am ready to experience what is ahead. You know, like I'm ready to get back into the biology field. I'm ready to learn from different people and try to see what comes up next. So I will keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching, and yeah, there's more contents to come. Aloha now. Say what's up. We're on our way. All right, we made it halfway. How's everybody feeling?
Happy days.
Relieved,
Happy days.
relieved.
Very relieving.
Everybody relieved. That's our driver.
Hot now.
Made it. We're about to get lunch. Say bye. Bye. First day here, we're on a hike. We're hiking out to go see the elephants. Last night was amazing. Beautiful stars, nice and cold. Beautiful place to be. Sound of nature at night make you go to sleep. But yeah, so we're out gonna find the elephants. Next time I see you, elephants are gonna be there. Aloha and up.